Welcome back to Natural Hub. Today, we're tackling a crucial health issue, fatty liver disease. It's a condition that's on the rise, but fortunately, there are natural remedies that may help. Stick around as we explore the signs of fatty liver and dive into some effective natural solutions. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips. Fatty liver disease occurs when fat builds up in the liver cells, often due to poor lifestyle choices. But the good news is that with early detection and the right approach, it can often be reversed. So let's uncover the signs and symptoms to watch out for. Signs and symptoms of fatty liver disease. Fatigue. Feeling unusually tired, even after a full night's sleep, can be a sign of liver trouble. Abdominal pain. Discomfort or pain in the upper right side of the abdomen may indicate liver inflammation. Weight loss. Unexpected weight loss or a loss of appetite could signal liver dysfunction. Jaundice. Yellowing of the skin and eyes is a classic sign of liver issues. Swelling. Swelling in the abdomen or legs due to fluid retention might point to liver problems. Dark urine. Urine that's darker in color than usual could be a sign of liver distress. Confusion, mental confusion or difficulty concentrating might indicate advanced liver disease. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's crucial to seek medical advice promptly. Now let's explore some natural remedies that may help support liver health and ease the symptoms of fatty liver disease. Natural remedies for fatty liver healthy diet. Opt for a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol consumption, as they can all contribute to liver damage. Regular exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine to help reduce liver fat and improve overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration supports liver function and helps flush toxins from the body. Herbal support. Consider incorporating herbs like milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric into your regimen. These herbs have been shown to support liver health and reduce inflammation. Moderate alcohol consumption. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Excessive alcohol intake can exacerbate fatty liver disease and lead to further liver damage. While these natural remedies can be beneficial, it's essential to remember that they should complement, not replace, medical treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health regimen. That wraps up today's video. We hope you found these insights helpful in understanding fatty liver disease and exploring natural remedies. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care.